everyone, welcome to Aroma's Kitchen with a new recipe with a yummy dish. So today I'm going to show you guys how quickly you can make a lemon rice. It's all the ingredients you need and the spices. Spices basically you need a salt, red pepper flakes. If you wanted the crushed red pepper, you don't have it, you don't need to. Black pepper, salt. So we got I have you can see the bunch, not the whole bunch, but the half bunch of the coriander and a whole onion. So we just need a half onion, so half we don't need it. So one green onion, broccoli, tomato, one lemon, and a chili is always option. So you can use any vegetables you have in the home, or you don't want to use that vegetables, just make this rice and it's so good. So I have a one rice, white rice, Zeera rice. It's already boiled and cooked. So I'm going to use one bowl of rice and everything to know that the green coriander, lemons and everything is here. I'm going to show you how we have to cut those like a small pieces. Okay, so I chopped the coriander, green onion, white onion, tomato, green chili, broccoli, and 2 pieces of lemon. So the first thing, the rice is ready. So I got the bowl. So I always don't cook too much because the ingredients needs to be very fresh. So rice. So I always take a big bowl and add everything together. So rice. Now I'm going to add the whole lemon juice, the fresh lemon. Smells so good. Okay, black pepper, salt, red chili, crushed chili, and now the time to add everything in it. So you can see everything is ready. I'm going to mix everything with hand and just steam it for a little bit, and your lemon rice is ready. Okay, so you know that we mixed everything, salt, red chili and all the spices and the fresh onions and everything. So it's ready now. We just need to cook a little bit because the rice is already cooked and you don't want the vegetables to be cooked too much. Okay, so I got the pan, so it's like a medium size, and I'm going to turn the stove into medium heat. This recipe is so fast and quickly, and if you have a rice at home and you're not using it, just make this one. It's so delicious and it's so healthy and vegetarian and vegan, and you can enjoy very little oil, so we don't need a lot of oil. So let it warm a little bit. Okay. I believe because the heat is high, so I'm going to turn it to medium. Okay. Now I'm going to add this rice. You just need to cook for only 5 minutes and the rice will be ready. And itself, you don't need to have any curry or anything, just flavorful, so good, very fresh with the lemon juice. And I believe always home always has some vegetables and you're not using it, just use it with rice, and you know, they taste so good. I'm going to let it cook for like a minute and then come back and see it's ready. It's been 5 minutes, so let's check it's ready, and I believe that it will be ready because it's a very quick and fast recipe. Okay, let's check. Super good. And you can see, I can turn the stove off, so you can see the color. Smells so good, and all the fresh vegetables. You don't need to cook too much so that the freshness of the vegetables will go, but you can see the rice, one bowl is like good for 2 people and it's ready to eat. Everything fresh ingredients. I'm going to dish out and try to see how they taste. Thank you. Okay, so I just dish out the rice. It looks so good, amazing, and I'm going to try and see how that tastes. It's perfect. You can feel the flavor of the lemon and even the onions and everything, like all the ingredients. Super taste, super good. Please do try this. Very simple recipe and very quick. Just maybe it's take 5 minutes. It's 3 steps. Basically, if you have rice or you have to make a rice, cut the vegetables, whatever at home you have it. Those vegetables, 1 lemon, salt, red chili, and that's all if you want a spicy, and it's ready. Just make it within a 5 minute. So please do try this recipe. Always yummy, and it's quick and fast. I always try to make you the very easy recipes that everybody can try at home. Only follow the 3 steps. So, enjoy this recipe, very yummy, and please do subscribe my channel so you get the new videos with the new recipes, and always easy, and you can make it at home. And if you cannot with your busy schedule, please come to Aroma, 715 East 12300 South, Draper, Utah, and we can make it for you. So please do try this and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and I will come back with the yummy new recipes for you.